Hey guys, so we're up on the road. I will just thought I will take you guys with us. We have a number errand for run, so as you know, we're trying to vlog thing. Now that we're trying, babes. we I get the car service. We get the car service. Hopefully not to take too long. Then I will go to Costco. We will go to Walmart. We will go to favorite store. What favorite store, babes? The dollar store. We got Dollarama. I'll show you guys that what kind of stuff you can get for $1. I'll just take a move around a bit as usual and say we're gonna bring you guys with it, right? So thanks for sticking around, thanks for supporting our channel. We appreciate you guys. If my voice sound different, guys, I have a sore throat and it kinda cause my voice to sound different. But bear with me, alright? Stay tuned, follow, dog up on the road. Hey bro, so I want a quick oil change.
Okay. B3, just pull behind that
B3
right there, yeah.
Okay, can I back up through here?
Oh yeah, let's pull through. Let's go around.
Okay, thank you bro. Yeah guys, so we're basically the inline right now. Wait for go through the quick loop drive through. Pretty much this is how you service a car in Grand Prairie. You just drive through and just deal with it quick and fast, and you just keep it moving, you know. So with the second in line, but the place hot. It's now 2:15 and the temperature is approximately 30 degrees, which is really hot. No babes. MJ, how are you feeling? How are you feeling? Are you hot too? No, you're not. No, you're not. Say hi. Say hello. Welcome to YouTube. Leave a like on the video. Leave a like on the video if Malika is like literally the sweetest girl in the world. We can't drive. Hello.
That's 82,248.
82,248.
Are your oil changes covered or do you pay for them?
It's not. I don't have to pay for it.
Oh, they're covered, eh?
No, well, I don't think it's covered. Like I have warranty here,
Okay.
but I don't think it covers oil change. I'm not too sure to be honest.
Either way, you'll be all right. I'll check to see if it's
Okay,
covered.
either way I'm
then
good.
If not, then
Yeah,
awesome.
either way I'm fine. Yeah.
Awesome. If your air filter's dirty, do you want us to replace it?
Yeah.
Engine air filter.
Sure.
Awesome. Tire rotation if recommended.
Absolutely.
Alrighty. And I'll just get you to shut it off whenever you're ready, sir. And I'm just gonna grab your VIN number here quickly.
Okay.
Your vehicle's been here before, yeah?
Yeah. No. This is the first time it's been serviced here, but it was
Okay.
bought here.
Okay, awesome. So
It was
it's in the
bought
system.
here in February. Yeah.
Okay, so it's in the system then. And then 249074. If you guys want to grab coffee or water whilst doing your oil change, we got the lounge there. Or if you want to hang out here, it's all good.
Okay. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Thank you. So guys, yeah, we just done do an oil change and them change out the transmission fluid, them change out the coolant, everything kind of top up, rotate, don't rotate, fill up the tire, they make sure everything good. And that cost we $70 a while ago, which is what I'd be like in a Jamaican figures, that would be like $7 grand. But we never have to buy no oil, we never have to do nothing. You just pay the one money and you cover every single thing, you understand? So that's like an average cost of what it and cost of a service the car. But my office said that place here right just I bought the car, so I get like a little discount. So on average it wouldn't cost like $80 thereabout, and it also depends on the kind of oil you want. If I want regular oil or if I want synthetic oil. So of course you know it's a regular oil we got, because we don't pay $100 for service just to get synthetic oil. But up to you, right? You can do what you want to do.
So yes guys, we're here at Costco, so we're doing a little eye shopping to see if we can find a stroller and car seats and you know them little stuff there. Trying to compare it to other places like Walmart and other places to see where it's cheaper and see guys, just come with us. Come choose or tell which one of the items that you guys like.
So for everyone who don't know, Costco would be like Price Smart in Jamaica, which is membered shopping, right? So just like you have a Price Smart card, you need a Costco card, right? And yeah, so this is what it looks like. So if you don't have that, you can't buy in there pretty much. Just like Price Smart in Jamaica. I guess it's a concept that many places have right around the world. So we're going to go in, just basically like an eye shop. We don't buy nothing right now. We just want to get an idea of what everything will cost is, so we can budget. So baby can have everything that she needs, alright? So forward for the trip. Yeah, people. Diamonds are forever, that I'm said though. You want one, mommy?
So I'm here eye shopping for sheets for my bed. Need to change my sheets as often as I can. Prices them there. I get a lot of towels. $9. It's not bad. And my expensive one.
Yeah.
No, yeah, my expensive one. Deal with and stuff. Towels, Calvin Klein.
You pay the brick like a little brick.
Winter comes and then if you buy the thick things them.
Yeah, it's not bad.
No, not bad.
How much for
$29, yeah. It's nice.
$23.99.
It's nice. Green blanket. It's nice. $23 for it. These are nice. Oh, the regulars. Three-piece cover set. These are different.
What's that, the carpet?
It's nice here. Oh my.
Oh man, this is really nice.
It's nice.
How big is it?
It's not really big. It's just like a piece. Like a fold, not two. It's nice.
Well, I need a big carpet. Come on, feel it, mommy.
feels so nice.
Feel it and tell me if you like it. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think Malika likes it.
Mm-hmm. For some feel like my little like one. It's nice. Or we're going where? Like when we're up here, look on the wipes and stuff, the boxer wipes and stuff like that.
Yeah, but that's true. So guys, so when it come on to the stroller and the car seat and them stuff, them say we have to go online to find them because them sold out. So we now can't get for look on none of them things there. So what we there look on now is just some diaper and some wipes. Can I get a general idea? We know we have an idea what the diaper and wipes are cost already because I'm Malika, yeah. But in terms of newborn and stuff, just to give you guys an idea, alright? To be honest guys, I don't know which one of them are newborn, you know. But where's I got you? Like this look like a newborn still. This Huggies, and the price for this is $35.99. And how much coming at this now? 192. 192 come in the pack for 35. This one also look like a newborn. It has 222 coming in it, Kirkland, and it's for $44.99. What matter about 400 and stuff. A pack of 174 is for $32.99. Babes, are these newborns? Oh, yeah, black.
We can't tell if I'm just look at it.
Well, it look like a newborn to me. 192, $32.99 and stuff. And wipes, we can get wipes for $25.49 and 1,152 coming in it. So this is a good deal as well. Or you can get $23.99 or 900 singles. Yeah guys, so we don't walk out Costco a while ago. Whatever, we'll find nothing at all in there because I must say everything basically sold out and we have to go online. So we'll see if we can go. We still have Walmart?
Yeah, we can go on. Yeah, we need some Walmart.
Oh yeah. So I'll go to Walmart, look if we can find nothing in a Walmart, and then after I left Walmart, like I got my favorite store, as we telling you, I got a dollar store.
That's your favorite, it's not my favorite. So no matter with it.
And then yeah, just found today's a day on the road. By the way, today's a Saturday guys, today's Saturday. What is it? The last of July, you understand? Nat's birthday is in August. August 28th to be exact. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I can drop some suggestions and let me know. And thing.
Tell him some want a spa day. You know, pedicure.
Tell him.
Everything. Hair do, makeup, photo shoot, the wall work, everything. I'll tell you.
Leave a like on the video if you guys were born in either July or August. I was born in June. My birthday is in June. My birthday was last month. And I think June people are the best people. And by the way, I'm a Gemini. And Gemini are some really good people. But the woman them would have said the man they love cheat. And the man them would have said the woman they love cheat. But not going to
do with it more to the sign.
Exactly, because them is not a cheater. So
I'm a Virgo. And we're a straightforward people.
What's about Virgo?
We're straightforward. Straight. We're quiet. Some of us are quiet. Like the first earlier parts are quiet. But when we talk to man, yeah, we're straight.
Virgos are, well, I don't know about every Virgo, but she straightforward when she ready.
Yeah, no, I have to control myself.
When she ready.
I have to.
But it's a Gemini, straightforward, 24/7.
No, you polish
you understand what I'm saying? You probably could know what phone is zodiac sign, by the way. Gemini or Virgo, one to think. You understand? But me no say, oh, Gemini straightforward, we straightforward on the ground, kind of. Alright? So, forward, I'll go to Walmart and I'll go to the dollar store. Yeah guys, so then at Walmart have some stuff. check out and look at them car seat type people. So go on, cause them when you have baby in Canada and I think also in the US, unless you have an infant car seat, them not let out the baby out the hospital. So you go, babes. Yeah, once you have if you don't have an infant car seat, them not let out the baby, and it have to have a certain weight and it have to have a certain expiry date as well. So make sure so I do the thing right, you know. As I said, we have to make sure we do the right things. You see a price on it, babes?
See a price, then we cool. This was the bottom tray.
I think these are the prices underneath. So this one is for $149. Not bad. Thing. We think we can find it cheaper still. That one doesn't have the price underneath it. I don't know, I'll go on with that one. What that thing? This is how you leaving a car and then detachable or whatever. Then could I clean it though. So these two don't have any price, but that one is for $149. And the other ones are like for the older kids, it looks like. And stuff. So Walmart have the car seats, but there's not all of them not have price on them. The only price we see is for $149. And yeah, that one the cutie babes. Cool.
No price sometimes.
No price.
Even this one nice though. We're not seeing no price. Do not.
They said do not what?
Not for sale.
No, not for sale.
Yeah. But I think
Probably I forgot online.
no, you can order it from store and you have one at Bacar
Or something. Or display, yeah.
Infant
Cool.
car seats.
See, all we needed to do was to just read.
Still not no price on it.
Still having a price?
No.
So this is 5 to 22 pounds infant.
Retail. Bar. Can you bar code?
So at least we know that Walmart have the car seat for when we're ready, but we don't know what we're going for the price. So
I think this.
this is another one, but this is 5 to 40
Or
pounds.
this. The gray.
Oh, this have a price. Oh, the price is also on this one, babes.
Where?
Down at the bottom.
Oh, down on bottom.
97. So this one is for 97, but is only for what weight? 5 to 10 pounds. What was the weight on it, please?
Yeah, I think it's
Oh,
5 to 22 pounds.
that one is for $99, but it's 5 to 22 pounds. But this one is for $100 and something, but it's 5 to 40 pounds. So you have it longer for even when the kid get older, right?
Price for that.
Price is. Okay.
This is the infant. This is like straight up infants.
Oh, them 2 years are straight up infant, but I want to do it. This goes up. This are from 4 to 35 pound. 4 to 35 pound, and that's for $169. Or 5 to 22 pound, and that's for $99.97.
This have on the base on the bottom.
Okay, so this one better. Cause I could go in the stroller and other stuff.
169.
But you see. Yeah, guys. So what do you think? Which one? Buy the cheaper one just for cheaper sake, or buy the other one here where a kid can have it for older. 169 or 99, right? Give one a feedback, make you know. Yeah, guys. So we find a bassinet. Find out what kind of bassinet, babes?
It's a Fisher Price. See that? Brand. I can fold up. Like easy assemble.
What the price?
$99.
$99.97, guys. Well, yeah, $100 for the bassinet there, but
So
probably.
the next one here, I think this one is a 4,000. This is another one. It's cute.
Yeah, that's a nice one too.
Cute. 0 to 5 months though.
Yeah.
This is cute.
Remember, I have a crib already, so.
Yeah.
Malika.
It's nice.
Yeah, that's nice. What the age on the other one? Is there age?
No, it didn't say age. It just said 9K. 20 pounds.
Okay.
Maximum.
Okay. Oh,
Very good.
20 kg? That's like almost.
20 pounds.
Or 20 pounds. Oh.
And so we have another one here. Okay, I want to bassinet here.
Well, the other one, here look cheap too. 69, $89. We have another bassinet, people. This one's for $89. But to be honest, it kind of look old fashioned. Yeah, that's that. But I kind of look old fashioned still. 0+ months.
Not too like that.
Yeah, I not really like that one there.
Yes, we have another one here. But like, I think it's a different color. Just a simplest. Malika, stop. This is our section, the only little section in Walmart. You see? We get a Ovaltine with strawberry crackers, with seasoning. Yeah, them little stuff here. This is our little section. And that's it. So if we can give you a look at tour, a dollar store. Because some person make it seem like nothing good in a dollar store. So let me just give you a look at tour. You're able to get spoon, knife, stuff like that. Yeah. You can get your Ziploc bags, guys. Get stuff to put in a bathroom. Yeah. Can see cleaning items. So okay guys, I'm a bit tired now. I wanted to show you everything that the store had to offer, but I'm getting really tired, so I'm going to head to the cashier and catch you guys maybe another time. I show you exactly everything that they offer in Dollarama. As I said, the most expensive thing in here is for $4. Not everything is good, you can tell it, but there are good stuff here as well.
Yeah guys, so that was pretty much our day today. We just had a packed day. I hope you guys enjoyed coming on the road with me, or coming on the road with us, for all the English speakers. As usual, leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe, right? Thank you guys, until the next video. Peace.